Okay, so today we're making fluffy slime. So first you're going to add 1 bottle of Elmer's school glue. Make sure that it is all out and that all of the glue comes out of the bottle because we need the whole bottle. So just squeeze it until it's done. And you're also going to need some regular shaving foam or shaving cream for this slime. So just continue squirting out your glue, and once that is done, you're just going to add some shaving cream. Now I used Barbasol shaving cream and Gillette shaving cream, and you just add quite a bit, and then you're just going to stir it up until it's all combined. Next, you're going to add your food coloring. Now make sure you add a lot because you want it to be darker. Next, you're going to add your borax water solution or your saline solution into there and keep stirring until it comes together into a slime and is not sticky. You may need to add more shaving cream and borax solution, but you're just going to mix this and mix it and mix it. Make sure that your borax solution is cloudy but not undissolved because otherwise it won't work. So just keep mixing, adding more borax and shaving cream. Now as you see, it is coming off the sides, and you'll want to make sure that it's still not sticky, so you're going to add some more shaving cream of Gillette or Barbasol and just keep mixing until it all comes together. Next, you're going to add more borax solution once you've added more shaving cream and mixed it up. Keep mixing until it all comes together. And there you have it, foam slime or fluffy slime. I prefer to call it foam slime because it's really foamy, and it's really fun to use, and it's just foamy. And thank you for watching, and see you next time on Zoe World DIY. Thank you, and subscribe today.